Lesson 15 on functions and graphs. In this lesson, we are working on an exam problem on functions and graphs. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. The question reads, given the function fx is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 7, where x is an element of all the real numbers, write fx in the form x plus a squared plus b, where a and b are integers. Now, when you come across such a question, you have to complete the square. Now, we have our function in the form f(x) is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, before completing the square, you have to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. And in this regard, that is the case because we have 1 as the coefficient of x squared. Now, the next step, you are going to say b over 2, you square that. So b in this case is 4. All right, so you're going to say this is equal to 4 over 2. You square that, and the result is 4. Now, you are taking this 4 now into that function. So you are going to say fx is equal to x squared plus 4x plus this 4, you add it and you subtract it. So we haven't done anything because you're going to get a 0 for that. But for the sake of completing the square, we have to do that. All right. And then we've got two 4s. One is positive, the other one is negative. So I want you to enclose the one that is positive with all these, and the one that is negative goes with that constant. So we say fx is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Then if you simplify what we have there, you have 3. Now we are going to factorize this by completing, by inspection, sorry. So you're going to say this, if you factorize, you get x plus 2 squared plus that 3. Therefore, we've managed to write that function in the form x plus a squared plus b. That is it with the first part of this example. Now, let's look at part B of the example. Now, in part B, we need to find the equation of the line of symmetry of fx. That equation is given by x is equal to minus a. When we say minus a, we are referring to that a, and that a is positive 2. So we say that equation for the line of symmetry is x is equal to minus 2. And we are done with part B of that question. Now let's look at part C. In part C, we need to find the turning point of fx, the turning point of that graph. Now, when you have that graph written, the function of that graph written in this form, you are going to say the turning point is given by minus a. I'm referring to that b. Okay, so we say, therefore, the turning point is minus a is 2. So you say minus 2, and b is 3. All right, if we compare this and that, then we have 3 on that. So that is the turning point of that graph. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.